What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. We are absolutely crushing it. They can't stop us. No one can stop us. This is one of those projects you just can't fade, okay? There's some great news that just got released from the official Tonic Twitter, and we're gonna dive deep into that. We're also gonna cover the overall markets and see how they apply to Tonic and just the reasons why Tonic will do absolutely great in the future. It will absolutely melt faces. But before we go any further, Meme Coin Daily 1,480 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. Thank you guys so much for supporting my previous Tonic video. Go check it out when you finish this video. 2.4k views. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. If you are part of the Tonic fam, the Crow fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The more you guys support these videos are getting pushed out into the algorithm, right? And then they'll get recommended to people that are either in crypto or out of crypto. When they get onto YouTube, they see it on their recommended page, and they check out the video, and they just might be more and more people that join the Tonic fam. So consider this as free marketing, guys. I already see people in my comment section getting into Tonic because of the video. So keep it up, Tonic community. Keep absolutely crushing it. Now, if we take a look at Tonic on CoinMarketCap, as you guys can see, we have a bit of a retrace. After a huge move like that, it's only natural we'll have a bit of a correction. Now I'm hoping we hold this $15 million mark. I'm hoping we hold $15 million in market cap. I'm hoping we hold right there, and maybe just range sideways until we get future bullish developments or future catalysts that could keep us on the on the path forward, on the path to the upside. $1.4 million in trade volume. The trade volume just shot up out of nowhere, right? It's absolutely crazy to see, like from basically like 70k 90k in trade volume all the way up to like 2.3 million in trade volume, and now we're down 43.87%. But it's just how crazy how fast crypto moves. You'll never get any other asset class like this. This is just generational asset class, right? You can't see moves like this in the stock market whatsoever. And the Tonic watch list is also almost at 30k. I've been covering this for a while, and I'm seeing it creeping up one step at a time. So the numbers for Tonic just keeps increasing as the days go by. Almost 30k people have Tonic on their watch list, guys. And as you can see from the community, man, there are people that are super bullish. Crypto Cowboy, Tonic, this is from the Tonic roadmap. We are phase free. Read this again and tell me what is coming soon. Not my words, it's theirs. And they've done everything they've said they were going to do so far, and that's what you like to see in a team, guys. Apart from these proposed phase 2 features that we are very excited about, we are constantly building features to strengthen the utility of our tokens and updating UI user interface for new feature enhancements in phase 3. We are also in active discussions to support multiple wallets and bring more partners to the ecosystem. Expect additional market listing announcements, and we invite fruitful business partnerships to register interest by filling out details here. So this is what I was talking about with the team. The team is developing nonetheless. The team is still doing their best to build the project. There's projects that are completely their Twitter is ghosted. There are use case projects like Tonic. Tonic is a DeFi utility project. There's use case projects where their Twitter is completely ghosted. There's no updates on development, nothing, right? And these are, I'm not talking about degen projects on ETH, right? I'm talking about use case projects. There's so many in the space right now as we speak because of this bear market, and no matter what the market conditions, Tonic has stayed building, and that is what you like to see. The Tonic team has stayed building. You like to see that, and the Tonic community, you guys are some beasts, okay? This is how you push a project. Yes, it's a use case project. Yes, it has great, unique DeFi utility. Yes, it is very innovative, but you still need a strong community to let people know about the project. You still need people in the community that are, you know, getting, you know, new people to join the community as time goes by, because what's the purpose of having a great project when no one knows about it, right? What purpose would that serve? So shout out to you guys, pat yourselves on the back, Tonic community. Let's keep crushing it. Now let's go to the Tonic Twitter. 55.6k followers, up a bit as well. And right here, isolated lending pool will be coming soon, and we have Vino Finance as one of our early partners. Stay tuned to our social for more updates, guys. Vino Finance is now an official partner to Tectonic. Great to see. And we have O'Neil here, O'Neil Kerr. What a beautiful chart on the 30-day. Great stuff. Been waiting for this for ages. I'm getting hyped. Very nice. This is from Coins to Riches, Crypto Lounge. Very nice. Liam, claps. Let me like these replies, you know. Shout out to the Tonic community, man. You guys are beasts, man. You guys absolutely crushing it. And from Scarenza, when B Crow, Argo Protocol, I asked for partnerships. Okay, more partnerships. B Crow and L Crow. Okay, you know, and you know the community also making their recommendations as well. Alex Archer, I like the idea. More ways to expand the awesome project. I wasn't into DeFi until I found out about Tonic. This is a sleeping giant. Why you wait for burn and buy more, you know? And that's how you gotta do. You gotta accumulate. The project is going to keep pushing forward. Risk isolation while increasing TVL, man. Absolutely crazy stuff. And there we go. The party is about to start. Boom. Good project. You know, a lot of people in the replies are also asking for burns, but you know, things are gonna happen as time progresses, right? From MCP, Tectonic to the moon, from Catfish, yeah, Ribo, LFG. This is what you love to see in a project, guys. Development happening one step at a time. As long as the project keeps building, you guys will get, you know, the community will eventually get what they ask for. Exchange listings, burns, all of that will happen as time progresses. You know, just keep pushing the project, just keep going forward. When you can see the team is still building, developing, getting stuff done, making new partnerships. This is bullish stuff, man. This is absolutely bullish stuff. And you know, there's gonna be crazier things that happens in the future as the team gets, you know, more and more development done for the project. They'll have more funding done, they'll have more people that are using the project, right? And that's when you'll see more things that could, you know, help that price skyrocket as well. But you just have to be patient. That's all crypto is, right? It's a whole lot of patience, right? And we have Vino.Crow right here. Easy and reliable liquid staking on Chronos chain. So it's right here for you guys. Simple and secure liquid crow staking with Vino is now live. Good morning, Crow fam and Tectonians. Announcing another giveaway with Tectonic Fi. Total of $200 USD worth of Vino to be given. This is your chance to win some. Join here. And right here you guys can see that's the partnership. This is the team that's doing the partnership with Tectonic. Vino.Crow keeping the momentum going. Vino and Tectonic science partnership. L Crow will be added for the lending and borrowing on Tectonic Fi. This helps to build up deeper liquidity and offer composability for L Crow. More details to come. And the thing is, their engagement is pretty nice as well. 600 likes, 906 retweets. You know, this is great. People in the comments section are so happy to see excellent stuff, great stuff, you know. And this is the website right here, Vino, simple and secure liquid staking. Earn more rewards with Vino. Boost extra APY with our ecosystem partners. Staking APY 10%, 1 L Crow equals to 1 Crow. And there's total of 22 million Crow staked with a $1.3 million TVL. That is great stuff. That is bullish. DeFi is the future. These type of projects, how they build, how they develop, you will see, you know, institutional, you know, larger investors eventually move into DeFi. It's only a matter of time until the banks decide to move into DeFi, because this is the future, guys. This is how it goes. After one financial ecosystem falls, there's a new one to take its place. Earn additional rewards with our growing list of partners: Firo, Unlimited, Vino Finance, Tectonic, and it's gonna be added to the website very soon. As you guys can see here, supply or borrow L Crow on Tectonic and earn extra rewards. Stay tuned. What is L Crow? L Crow stands for Liquid Staked Crow. The advantage of L Crow over regular stake Crow are rewards. Staking rewards are automatically restaked. Okay, that's freaking bullish. Okay, so you just stake it and forget it, compounding the yield. So liquidity, L Crow can be sold for Crow at any time, hence the liquid. Okay, so that's why it's called L Crow. L Crow can be used within the DeFi ecosystem to earn even more yield. Very bullish stuff, man. And of course they have their own token as well, and they have an audit with Slomis. Slomis is one of the better auditing companies, so that is very great to see. That is very bullish. I like this right here. Stake rewards and automatically they're automatically restaked to compound the yield, and the liquidity is, you know, very fat. You know, if the whales want to get in here, they don't have to worry, because they have they could be sold for Crow at any time, hence it is very liquid. I love what I see, guys. This is very bullish for Tonic, and this is just one of first of many things to come. I'm sure the team will be developing along the way. This is one of you know, many more things to come in the future, right? From F Bargain, just entertain the moment when Tonic pumps for weeks after the end of the Ukraine's war. The global economy will reset. Tonic. And this is the thing, that's why I cover the overall markets, guys. Remember, the reason why we are in this mess is because of what's happening in the global markets, right? S&P 500 coming down, DXY going parabolic, interest rates getting raised, inflation. There's a lot of factors that are all tied in. Plus, one of the biggest exchanges also falling, right? FTX. There's a lot of factors that are, you know, that take place that is causing this downturn, this economic downturn. But one thing that is very great about Tonic, right, that a lot of TA persons would say, is that how does it perform against BTC and ETH? And after a move like this, right, after a move like this, imagine when we're bullish again. Imagine when we're in, you know, a bull market, how much this project will perform in the future. Think about that, guys. From F Bargain, once again, I really want you to save this chart, look at the possibilities based on Tonic's performance in the future, but please don't just hold Tonic tokens waiting for a pump. Tonic is a modernized project with multiple applications. He's letting you guys know that you can use, you know, the different DeFi aspects of Tonic. And this is a breakdown right here with Imogen. If you own, let's see, this is 1 billion Tonic, and it gets to a price of 4 zeros 1, that's $10,000. 3 zeros 1, that's 100,000. 2 zeros 1, that's 1 million. 0.1, which is 1 cent, 10 million. And then they have the other rates along the way here. depending on your bag, the gains in the future will be very nice. Very nice. From King Ann, Tonic said, not today, no ma'am, no way, you're stopping me. And this was after we had the huge run, we had a retrace, and then we started to move up again. Very nice stuff. From Oscar Ramos, we are trending, Crow fam. For all my Tonic holders, Chronos holders, Crow fam, retweet and like. And you guys can see 11,000 tweets for Crow yesterday. Crow fam was absolutely crushing it. Crow is gonna be here today, here to stay. One of the exchanges that's gonna be here, that's gonna help to onboard new people into the space, which will bring in mass adoption. And like I said, Tonic is one of the heavy hitters on the Chronos ecosystem. A lot of the retail are gonna get themselves some Crow. They're gonna get themselves some Tonic as well. You know, I'm sure of that. CPI next week is going to bring the volatility back. Now that is very interesting because the CPI data, which is the amount of inflation the US economy has, was coming down last month. We had the data around, I think around 7.3% is what it came down to. When the number releases next week, if it comes further down, we are bullish. If it goes back up, we are bearish once again. But from the looks of things, it seems like it'll be coming down, but we'll see, guys. And from Crypto Rover, the next Bitcoin bull run can start at any moment. Bitcoin is in this huge falling wedge, and typically when there's a falling wedge, you have a very large short squeeze to the upside, as you guys can see from this trend. Like I said, Bitcoin is the lead market mover. When Bitcoin moves up, you know, say when Bitcoin goes back to 30k, 35k, for example, let's check the prices of all the alts. You know, let's check the prices of all the alts that have fundamentals, great fundamentals, like a Tonic, right? I'm telling you guys, you are gonna see some bullish momentum in the future, as long as, you know, the global markets start to get more bullish, things start to turn around. And when, you know, Bitcoin does have those moves to the upside, expect alts to follow, guys. Expect Tonic to absolutely send, because it's an altcoin. Bitcoin moves up 30%, Tonic is moving like 300, 400%, right? That's just how it is, right? Tonic fam, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, let me know what you guys think. Any recent news you guys know about, let me know in the comments section. I'd really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me know your thoughts as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.